finding out when you are the right person. And if you are not the right person, can you go ahead and find an agent? And if you find an agent, who can that agent be? Is part of another prerequisite homework that you need to do before you take your stuff to customs. Because once you take it to customs and you submit all the paperwork, customs says, wait a minute, you can't be doing this. You are not the right party. And you say, why not? Well, you are the. It seems to me that you are nominal consignee. And nominal consignees cannot be the importer of record. So you have to go back and find the right party. So today our discussion is going to be focused on that right person. Owner or purchaser of goods. It comes down to the basic notion of if you have a financial interest to the transaction other than interest as far as a shipping documents are concerned. So we've seen some examples where you have a notified party, and that notified party is merely, let's say, the freight forwarder. It comes to the warehouse and then it goes. That's it. That's the only interest in that person's product. That doesn't count. So the parties with the financial interest, they are listed here. There is a laundry list. As you can see, actual owner, the actual purchaser, buying, selling agents, person or a firm. So we learned that what kind of persons or firms can be. That means limited liability company, such as corporation. It can be corporation. It can be partnerships. It can be partnerships can be either limited or general partnerships, or it can be sole proprietor or an individual who, as we all saw, may not be the importer of record because they are not authorized to file customs. Now, a little side step must be taken because nominal consignees include licensed customs brokers. Nominal consignee and licensed broker can be the same thing, but the licensed customs broker, if the licensed customs broker is authorized, then he's an exception to the rule. How does this play out in the customs broker exam itself? The next question makes a showing. So this is pretty easy fact pattern. So they give bunch of statements, and they're asking to identify one statement which is not true. And not true with respect to what? Right to make an entry. Right to make an entry, okay, so we know the right to make an entry has to be given to the importer of record who is not a nominal consignee. So it can be owner, purchaser, selling agent, etc., or licensed customs broker who is authorized. So you kind of have this mental note. Next, with that note in mind, we go through the list.